friends, Maddie here, and today I'm going to create this chess piece camel in Maya. So let's start. Hello friend, that's it. So this is very quick and easy tutorial on how to model a camel in Maya, chess piece camel in Maya. So stay tuned to my channel because in future I will upload more modeling videos like this and also some gameplay of some games which I have. So stay tuned to my channel and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.